Hello, and welcome back. So we need to solve a filtered list kind of problem. Okay, so it's for dictionary, and what we need to do is we need to basically uh, get if there is any star rating or not. Okay, and then we'll be given something like that, and among them we need to find like something which has a stars. So if 4 is given, we need to find something which is 4 and above rated star should be only there in our list. Okay, in our new list, that's what it should be. Okay, so let's just create filtered hotels as our list, maybe. Right, and then maybe we can just do it with one thing. Okay, let's just try it in more Pythonic way. Okay, so list will be there, and then we will have a list which will be I for I in hotels. All right, if I stars, all right, that's the name of thing. If I stars is greater than equals to minimum stars. What is this? Let me just make it better. Okay, now it's fine, I guess. Now I think what we are doing is we are looping over it, and then we check if the stars is greater than the minimum stars, and then after that we simply are getting the value of it, right? So let's try to run this. Hopefully it runs. Great, it runs. So that's our elegant solution for this problem. Let's see how others have done it. Okay, so with the dictionaries, there could be like people might use get and all as well. So I would recommend get because that's one way to do it. So let's just submit the code. Okay, great. And let's just check solution as well. Okay, that's our solution. What about this? Hotel for hotel, blah, blah, blah. That's it. That's another person's solution as well. Something similar others have done. All right, this guy has also done something similar. Any DSA kind of way others have done. Okay, this is checking if it is a minimum or not, and then just keeping it. I think this is a little bit more extra step, right? This is something similar, right? Yeah, pretty much. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Take care. Bye bye.